How to hide Instagram Reels from someone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide Instagram Reels from someone. Now, if you have uploaded a reel and you want to hide it from certain person only, then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and block them. Now, unfortunately, as of now, Instagram doesn't have any option to hide your reels from particularly someone, but what you can do is you can simply block them. Now, if you don't want to block them, however, then what you can do is you can restrict them. You can open up Instagram, head over to your profile, and then, or you can simply search it from the search bar for the particular user that you wish to block. So you can simply open up a particular profile, and then what you want to do is you can simply go ahead and tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of the profile, and then you can see block option. If you don't want to block, you can see restrict option. You can simply tap on restrict and you can restrict them. In this way, they won't be shown about your post and your online status and such, and their message won't pop up to you as well. Now, the other way what you can do is you can simply set your profile to private, right? You can switch your account to private, head over to settings and activity and account privacy and set it to private, and then remove the particular user from your followers list that you don't wish to show your reel to. So suppose I want to hide my reels from this particular user here, that is here. You can see the first user. Then what you want to do is you want to set your account to private, and once you remove them from here, then they will no longer be following you, and even if they want to follow you, they'll have to send you a follow request which you'll have to approve, of course. And if you don't approve it, they won't be able to see any reels or post or story, or they won't be able to text you as well. So this way you can hide Instagram reels from someone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.